March 10th holds a sacred place in the annals of the Tibetan history, a day imbued with the echoes of the defiance and the resilience of the Tibetan spirit. On this day, the streets of Lhasa bore witness to an unprecedented display of courage and determination as thousands of Tibetans rose in protest against the illegal occupation and invasion of Tibet by the Chinese Communist government. It was a moment of reckoning, a testament to the unyielding resolve of a people willing to surrender their cultural heritage and national identity. March 10th symbolizes not only the struggle for Tibetan autonomy, but also the justice that courses through the veins of every Tibetan here. As we stand here today, we honor the sacrifices that all our Tibetan sisters and brothers have made in the name of their beloved country. We pledge to carry forward their legacy with determination. For 65 years, the flame of resistance has burned bright, illuminating the path towards a future where Tibetans can live with dignity and sovereignty. For many generations, our elders and ancestors have fought tirelessly for the rights and freedoms of our people, laying the groundwork for the movement that we continue to carry forward today. Their sacrifices, their courage, and their unwavering commitment to justice has inspired us all, instilling within us a sense of duty and responsibility to continue their noble struggle. As a member of the youth, I stand here today as a testament to the power of intergenerational solidarity and the importance of passing on our collective legacy to the next generation. I remember being a child, looking up to the activists and elders with awe and admiration, dreaming that one day that I could join their ranks and make a difference. And now, that day has come. As a new generation of leaders and activists, we have a vital role to play in shaping the future of our movement. Our voices, our energy, and our passion are the driving force behind our cause, and it's up to us to harness the power and use it to effect real and positive change. But we cannot do it alone. We stand on the shoulders of giants, of those who came before us and paved this way for our struggle. And it is our duty to honor their legacy by continuing the fight for freedom and justice with courage, determination, and solidarity.
As we reflect on the struggles of the past, we must also confront the challenges of the present. China's relentless efforts to suppress Tibetan culture and identity continues unabated. China is building a hydroelectric dam in Kamdege region on Jichu River, which is along Asia's longest river, the Yangtze River. The construction of this dam threatens to displace over 10,000 people who reside in Kamdege and eradicate over 9 historically ancient monasteries, some dating back to the 14th century. In February 2024, a heartbreaking video was shared from inside Tibet. A recording showed Tibetan monks and villagers kneeling and pleading before Chinese officials to stop the forced relocations of locals and the destruction of heritage sites. While Tibetan people were peacefully protesting against the relocation and defending their homes, their environment, and their way of life, monks and local residents were met with tasers, water cannons, pepper sprays, and were shackled and taken to prison by the Chinese Communist government. They detained over 1,000 Tibetans. The Dega Dam is also a part of a larger issue regarding the Tibet climate crisis. While China continues to work on hydropower projects, this jeopardizes the water supply of nearly 2 million people who rely on Tibet's water downstream. But let us be clear, we will not be silenced. We will continue to speak out against China's oppression and stand up for the rights of our Tibetan brothers and sisters inside Tibet. We will not allow our heritage and our culture to be forgotten, nor our voices to be silenced. On this 65th Tibetan National Uprising Day, let us continue the fight for justice and freedom. Let us honor the memory of the 160 Tibetans who have self-immolated for this very cause we are here today. As I stand here on Parliament Hill with my Tibetan brothers and sisters and Tibet supporters, we stand stronger in unity for the future of Tibet. Pegyalo!